What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix the "your connection is not private" error that you might encounter on your browser. This error usually occurs due to issues with the website's security certificate or your browser settings. First, let's try using incognito mode. Open a new incognito window by pressing Ctrl, Shift and N on your keyboard, or Command, Shift and N on Mac. This will disable extensions and clear temporary data, which can sometimes resolve the error. Try accessing the website in incognito mode to see if it works. If the problem disappears, it might be caused by your extensions or cookies. Next, clear your cookies and cache for the specific page. Open your browser and go to the Settings menu. For Chrome, click on the three dots menu at the top right and then select Settings. At the right-hand side, click on Privacy and Security. Then Site Settings. Next, select View Permissions and Data Stored Across Sites, which will allow you to search for the URL you cannot access. In this example, I will search for openai.com and delete the cookies and site data for this specific URL. After clearing the cache and cookies, restart your browser and try accessing the website again. Ensure your computer's time and date settings are correct. Incorrect date and time settings can cause this error. To fix this, open your Windows settings. On the left-hand side, click on Time and Language, and then Date and Time. Make sure that the date and time are correct. If they are not, toggle off Set Time Automatically, and then manually set the date and time. Once adjusted, refresh your browser to see if the error is resolved. Sometimes, simply reloading the page can fix the issue, as it might have been a temporary glitch. Click the refresh button in your browser, or press Ctrl and R, or Command and R on Mac to reload the page. If it's a popular page or platform, you might be able to find information regarding the server status of the website. For Roblox, this will be status.roblox.com. It allows you to preview if all systems are operational and if the website works as intended. You should also disable browser extensions that could interfere with your connection. Open your browser's Settings menu and navigate to the Extension section. In Chrome, click on the three dots menu, select Extensions, and then Manage Extensions. Disable any extensions that you might think are causing the problem, such as ad blockers or privacy extensions. After disabling them, refresh the page to see if the error is resolved. If this didn't help out, then ensure your browser is up to date. An outdated browser can cause security certificate errors. To update your browser, go to the Settings menu and find the About section. In Google Chrome, you can find this by clicking on the three dots menu, then Help and About Google Chrome. The browser will check for updates and install them if available. Next, verify the SSL certificate of the website. Click on the log icon in the address bar. Then click on Certificate or Details. Check if the certificate is valid and hasn't expired. If the certificate is invalid, you need to contact the website owner to inform them of the issue. When this is done, disable any VPN or proxy settings. A VPN or proxy server can sometimes cause this error. Open your computer settings and go to Network and Internet. Click on VPN and disable any active VPN connections. Then click on Proxy and make sure that Use a proxy server is turned off. After disabling these, refresh the page to see if the error is resolved. Lastly, ensure that the website you are trying to visit is secure and that you have entered the correct URL. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.